Hey guys, I just wanted to go over this little cool upgrade I did with some brand new silicone spark plug wires, some Iridium spark plugs that due to the spark plug wires I was way to open up the gap to, I don't even remember what it was, but it was what the plugs were recommended to open the gap to. And then I went and bought this ignition coil pack. Everything that you see here is easy bolt-on. Getting the spark plugs out, piece of cake, because of all the room that I have in here. The only side that was difficult was the passenger side, because you got to feed the wires all the way through the back. But what I did was just tape the wires to the ones that were already fed through and pulled them right through. And so I was able to get easily to the spark plugs from underneath the engine. And I'd show you that, but I got some ender liners in here, but I was able to access them right underneath there. So like I said, it was a pretty easy install. What I like about it was, before when I would idle, I don't know, somewhere around between, probably right around 4,000 RPM, my engine would lope. It would just go woo, 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 woo. Very weird. And when I put all this in, that went away. So who knows if that was an issue or not. And who knows if this fixed it, but all I know is that annoying thing was gone. Was there a little more pep? Nothing you could really feel. Was there a little more responsiveness? And again, nothing that I really noticed. It more was just a vanity upgrade, something I kind of wanted to do, but it did help with that one issue that was really bugging me. So that is probably something I'd recommend. Getting the new coil, ignition coil pack, and the silicone ignition spark plug wires, and of course new spark plugs, and which will allow you to open up those gaps. So if you see anything else that you want to know, stay tuned. Pretty soon we're going to go over the dual battery mount that I have installed in here. Once we install the isolator for it. We did get a new tip-em here, and we're going to go over that and how I did that. And then of course we're going to go over my air raid cold air intake once I get it all situated out with air raid. We've been having some issues with fitment from them that we're working out. But stay tuned for those videos, and if you want anything else, just give me a shout out in the comments. Thanks, bye.